Hello mga ka-angels! Welcome to our featured video of the week. Siyempre, naandito na naman tayo sa labas, specifically here in Karama, of course, to visit one of our merchant partners, of course. Welcome to Razons of Guagua here at their Karama branch. Come and join me! Hello mga ka-angels! Welcome to one of the branches of Razons of Guagua. We are here at their Karama branch, but you can also visit and dine in at their branches in the Ibn Battuta Mall here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, or sa ating mga kababayan in Abu Dhabi, they have their branch at Al Wada Mall, Abu Dhabi. Once again, this is Razons of Guagua, one of our merchant partners here at Angel Wings International Tourism.